I'm Malcolm from A1 Australia Education Group, Melbourne CBD, and today I have with me Nadia Ascanio from Colombia. Many congratulations, Nadia, on getting your desired score in PTE. Thank you. So friends, just letting you know about Nadia. She is into nursing and she needed a score of 7 each for her admission and registration. She got it in roughly a period of 2 months. Her scores in speaking are 66, reading is 71, listening is 68, and writing is 76. So that's a pretty impressive overall score of 70 plus as well. So firstly, again, many congratulations to you, Nadia. And how would you describe this journey like? We got in touch some few months back and then you started the course. So how was the course for you?
I think the course was very easy. The information was very clear.
Right.
You can have access all the time. Every time you want to study, you just can do it. I think it's that you have to be really disciplined.
Right.
But if you follow all the instructions you give to the students, you will get any score that you want.
Right. And unfortunately, you had to sit for the test more than once. But for you, what was easy or what was hard in the test? Which modules were easy or tough for you?
I think for me the most difficult one was speaking because as you can see, I just learned English 2 years ago.
Right.
So I don't have too much experience in English.
Right.
But I think you with your instructions and tips, I think.
Awesome. That's good. And which modules were then easy on you? Like you're a Spanish speaker from Colombia. I'm sure there are many Spanish speakers out there looking to take PT. So which modules would they find a bit easy? What do you think?
This one for writing. Actually, my writing is good,
Right.
so I think it was the easy one. And the reading, you will see or you will think like reading is task gonna be so easy for that, so much vocabulary,
Correct.
but it's not because what happened is like English have a lot of repetition
Right.
that you have to know grammar to fill the blanks really well, and
Right.
this is what my
Right.
teach us how to don't
That's
make a lot of mistakes.
And sometimes you were attending face-to-face classes at the institute. Sometimes you were also attending online classes. So do you think that online classes are helpful?
I think of course it's like everyone has to find the way to learn. My way was more face to face because
Right.
I think I can pay more attention because when I was in online class I have a lot of distractions like
Right.
phone, TV,
Right.
people around me. So
Makes sense.
in my case the most easy way to learn was face to face.
And also, maybe you attended some of your sessions with a Spanish-speaking tutor, Maria. So do you think that having a Spanish-speaking session with a Spanish-speaking PT tutor who has 90 each helps?
I think it helps a lot at the beginning
Right.
because she gave like a really nice orientation, really nice instructions.
Right.
But in the middle of the course, I just study face-to-face class with you.
Right.
But I think at the beginning it's really important to stick to Spanish class.
Makes sense. And I know, I mean, you've been waiting for 2 years since, I mean, you were already a nurse in Colombia.
It's very nice.
And honestly, how does it feel? I'm sure it's more of a relief now that you can join the course now in Australia as well.
I think I'm so happy and I'm so thankful with you because it's an opportunity to start my job, my career, and my passion. Finally, I'm gonna do what I want. It's so good.
Thank you so much. Thanks. So guys, here's Naida's story. She wanted 7 each for her nursing. She did it. We'll be very honest, she did not do it in her first attempt, but she didn't give up. Obviously, she took the test again and she did it pretty quickly and pretty well as well. So once again, many congratulations to you, Nadia. Really happy for you. And friends, if you need any assistance with PT, NAATI or IELTS, whether you're looking for face-to-face classes or online classes, just give us a call on 0466 466 603 or visit our website, which is oneaustraliagroup.com. We are there to help you out. Thank you so much. This is A1 Australia Education Group.